Welcome to our 30th Open Mic webinar. The topic for this week is on epigenetics. I'll be substituting for Dr. Van Nguyen, who is chairman of our medical and scientific committee. Here I'll share with you an overview what I presented to members of our leadership team on this very interesting epigenetic, because if, as you can imagine, you might have the same DNA as a sibling, but you might look different. You may have other characteristics, or under a different environment, your gene expression will change, which allow you to have a certain specialized trait or skills. So in this presentation about epigenetics, we are going to explore the role of how we can modify the gene expression without changing the DNA itself. So I started off discussion of epigenetic by defining what exactly is epigenetic. Epigenetic is when we change the gene expression by various modality without changing the DNA sequence itself. Basically, we're changing gene expression by other means. And one of the approaches we can do that is by making modification to the DNA itself without changing the DNA sequence. Typically, that is done by adding a methyl group, and that process is called methylation. Next part of the presentation, I went over the latest trend in epigenetic, and for epigenetic changes, we can use it to boost our longevity, to use it for regenerative medicine. We can use it for precision or tailor-made medicine that is geared specifically for the patient. We can also use and modify epigenetic to treat cancer, prevent disease itself. What are the potential application of epigenetics? So epigenetic can be applied for precision medicine or tailor-based medicine that is adapted specifically for the patient. It can be developed to treat cancer or for cancer treatment, or regenerative medicine to help us live longer, like anti-aging or longevity. When we study the patient gene, there are certain genes that predispose patient to certain conditions like cancer. We can develop epigenetic medicine or reprogramming to prevent the expression of those genes that cause the cancer or the disease itself. Interestingly, epigenetic also has contribution to psychological condition, and that's an avenue where we can develop drugs to help boost or deliver the therapeutic solution for the patient. Now, interestingly, as you can appreciate, a lot of the medicine for human is also applicable to pet as well, or veterinary medicine. We can use epigenetic to influence animal breeding, as well as crop, also to boost crop production, to boost the livestock like the cow, resistant to diseases. How like environmental factor like toxin, nutrients, they can affect the DNA methylation, and though epigenetic changes would cause different manifestation of the cattle, like from the muscle size, composition of fat tissue, so on and so forth. If you enjoy our video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it with your friends and your family. Also, just tap, you don't have to smash on the bell notification button, so that you can get our video as soon as they are released. Now, the other thing I want to share with you about is that our fund, we have weekly open mic webinar where our leadership team meet, and our chairman of the medical and scientific committee, that is Dr. Van Nguyen. He's a cardiologist, also medical director, and he and our team present on the latest advancement in the life science sector. We cover many niche, many topics, which allow me to gain an advantage in the life science sector, and in knowing so, I can fine-tune my research position and invest in young innovative company before they blow up big. Let us capture the tremendous upside in the biotech stock market that will occur in the next few years for you. If you're interested in learning more about our fund, you can check out our website, www.evergrowthinvest.com. You can also reach us by email, info@evergrowthinvest.com, or by phone, 704-957-7746. Reach out to us to see if we are the right fund for you and if you are the right investor for us.